Weaver. A lot of fans out there today. Okay, let's go back to 15.
And over the back, KJ Choi. Down 200 par.
Blake, look up.
Chip shot, he's going fairly
Say hi to Grandpa and Grandma.
And just finds from there. Perfect. Really not such a bad result. Just leaving it right there. But, as we've seen before, you really want to get it onto the putting surface if it's at all possible. That just coming off the fringe makes that vital difference when the greens are this quick, this smooth. Very easy for the ball to bobble offline immediately.